Nature man, nature man. Who is he? We don't know. All we know is he's a nature man. Hello, my name is Nature Man. Today, in Nature Man video, we will be discovering the life of the beagle named Dixie. As you can see, the infamous beagle named Dixie is captured by me right now. I have put her on a leash, and we will see what the life of everyday Dixie is like in the nature. First, the Dixie goes walking to go poop and pee-pee on other people's lawns. And sometimes eats dead things off of the street, like she is doing now. As you can see, the big, the Dixie will never stop eating. The Dixie loves to eat. She eats the most out of everything. She will never stop eating. You could put a bowl of lasagna, and I bet she would eat it in less than 2 minutes, and then request another bowl of lasagna, and eat that in less than 2 minutes. The number one opposing animal to the Dixie is other dogs. Other dogs pose a serious threat to Dixie because she starts to bark and growl, even though most of the time they aren't even paying attention to her. This is the most dangerous part of her habitat, because 3 houses, or maybe 4, our experts are not known yet, have dogs and cats that Dixie does not like. We will see how it goes. The good news is the coast is clear. There are no predators out for Dixie to be endangered by. There are no cats and there are no dogs, and that is a good thing.
Wow!
There is a bird. Dixie is quite interested by the bird. That is our first other animal interaction Dixie has had in this episode. You know, a little bit about Nature Man is I graduated from Nature Man College, which teaches us about all species of life, except for the species of Dixie. Dixie is a special species that I had to encounter and learn about on my own. A very interesting species, I might say, myself. The species of Dixie are very endangered because in these woods live wild chihuahuas, and they are what hate Dixie the most. They have killed off many of the species of Dixie, and Dixie is one of the last Dixies in the world. As we wrap up the adventures of the Dixie, the lessons to learn about today are: never give Dixie lasagna, never let Dixie and a chihuahua communicate, do not let Dixie eat food off of the street, do not let Dixie off of the leash, and always, and I, Nature Man, repeat, always make sure Dixie does not talk to other male dogs, because, you know, the species of Dixie is known to make other dogs feel feelings that usually don't end well. Dixie is what we call a player, so you must beware of the player Dixie. That is all for this episode of Nature Mind, as we end with the call signs of the birds above us in Dixie's natural habitat. Nature Man Incorporated is sponsored by Fruit Loops. The more you eat, the more fruity you are.